Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again from Genuine Companies Sheets, and today I want to show you how you can save a data frame in Excel workbook. So last time when we did up to level 10 coding of P&L, I promised that when I come back we'll do a code on how we can save a data frame into Excel workbook. So that's what I want to show you. So let me just take you to where we did our last code. So we did up to level 10, which let's try to print what we did last time. So the period number is 1, then the financial year is 2017. So this was our code last time. From sales volume to profit before tax. So we need to save this into P&L. So we are saving in P&L, we are saving in Excel workbook. We are not printing on Excel. So when we want to save this on Excel workbook, we'll use a module called Excel Writer, of which we had imported last time. So we did import Excel Writer, and then down here we need to write a code for saving this data frame to Excel workbook. So what we need to do is to write a code that will save the data frame to Excel, right? And the code is down here. So let me try to uncomment the save. So this is like a variable, and remember we said that variables are just containers of data. So we are saying level 10, which is a variable, level 10 underscore save. This is a variable which is a container, that is equal to pd dot excel writer in bracket P&L underscore ytd dot xlsx. So xlsx show that this is Excel, and then this file is named P&L underscore ytd. The Excel workbook has been named P&L underscore ytd. Then it is Excel, so we write dot s the xlsx. And then the next line of code, we are saying that level 10 underscore P&L. So this, the level 10 underscore P&L is our data frame that we need to save to Excel. So we are saying here that level 10 underscore P&L is equal to level 10 is equal to level 10 P&L dot 2 underscore Excel. So we want to save it to this this container called level 10 underscore save. So we are saying level 10 underscore P&L, which is our data frame, dot 2 underscore Excel in bracket level 10 P&L, other level 10 underscore save. Then down here we are saying level 10 underscore save dot save. So the container dot save, rather the level 10 underscore variable dot save. So when we run the code, this our data frame should be saved to Excel with the Excel name, or rather with the Excel book named P&L underscore ytd. So let me just run this code to see if the data frame will be saved. So the period number is 1, and then the financial year in review is still 2017. So this is the data frame that we need to which is supposed to have been saved within the Excel workbook named P&L underscore YTD. So I will come here and click on this financial automation. So these are the projects, rather it's a project. The name of the project within the pie chart. So I'll scroll down and check if I have this file for P&L YTD, which is here. We have P&L underscore YTD.xlx to mean it is an Excel. Then I will double click. So when I double click, it should open the Excel. So this is the P&L YTD that we've just saved from our Python code. So let me just try to expand the columns. So this is what we have that is coming from P&L. It's coming from the Python code, but now from here we can do some formatting of Excel. So I can come here and do away first with these other lines, and then I will left align the first column, and also I will unbold it. Then you can also format the numerical columns. We'll select all of them and click this comma command. And from here now we can do the normal formatting that we always do on Excel. So we can give the bottom header thick bottom border, and then you can also bold cells, and then you can underline coastal cells. And you can also bold gross. Then we can also underline direct expenses. Then we can also bold net margin. You can as well bold the indirect expenses and indirect income. Then when we move down here, you can also bold total expenses, and also underline. Interest, then we'll bold earnings before depreciation, amortization and tax. And then lastly, you can now give the profit before tax top and bottom borders. Then and also bold it. So we'll give it this top and thick bottom border, and then we bold. So this is just normal formatting that we always do on Excel, but before we do the formatting, we'll have done our coding from Python. So we just we'll just print the data frame, then we'll save to Excel, then we can now do the formatting after opening the Excel. So that was how to save the Excel workbook, rather how to save data frame to Excel workbook using Excel Writer module. So that was for saving data frame to Excel. So when we come back, I want us to talk about the important we'll be talking about the important functions for financial reports automation. We'll have quite a number of sets of the functions. So after talking about these important functions of financial reports automation is when we'll move to monthly profit and loss statement, and then we'll move to balance sheet and then cash flow. So before then, we'll just talk about the functions within financial report automation. So I thought that these functions are much more important before venture into dealing with financial reports automation. So we ought to have done this earlier, but it was an oversight. So I think we need to talk about this before we move to the monthly income statement using the Python code. So thanks a lot for watching. So when we come back, we'll start from here. I will start with variables, then we'll move to operators, reading Excel, if and else statements, and then functions. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again on the next video.